Hello listeners, today I have brought you an eye-opener and great message for keeping your family safe. Just imagine, this is in the calm night of a tomato plantation. Danger lurk quietly among the vines. A snake bite a ripe tomato with a sharp fangs. Venom is injected deep into the fruit. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Believe me, you might be wondering what could possibly hurt us. It's shocking, but it's initial to know. Let's have a deeper look into matter. For example, when the snake bites, venom does not stay on the surface. The venom can be absorbed into the flesh, thus contaminating the fruit from the inside. What if this happened to cucumbers, pumpkin, or all produce growing close to the ground? If not spotted, the tiny holes may become a big health hazard when the product reaches your kitchen and then ultimately the dinner table. Why we should care? The poisonous contamination from snake bite may bring poisonous toxins into your system that could cause food poisoning or even an allergic reaction in some. Though it is a rare thing to happen, the effect could be drastic. That's why attention to detail and careful observation in a selection and manipulate of vegetables is needed. What to look out for? Tiny hole punctures marks. You are looking out for various small holes or pairs of holes that look out of place. Discoloration or soft spot produce affected by a venom may start showing spoilage, sinks or discoloration in the region of the puncture. Unusual odors. Sometimes you may receive produce that seems fine but has this peculiar sour smell. To be safe, looking carefully, take your time to really look at your vegetable before purchasing or consuming them. It takes a few seconds to scan for any small holes or damage and can save you from so much danger. Wash properly. Wash the vegetables you have obtained under running water. However, note that this won't take away all the venom if the venom has entered into the fruit. Cut and check. When you cut the vegetable open, look inside for discoloration or other strange smell or texture. Tell about it your community. Shares this information with friends, neighbors and family members. The more aware we all are, the safer we can keep our kitchens. Nature hides a lot of secret, but while we are enjoying fruits and vegetable, if offers us, we must respect and be know to the risk hidden. Small holes or sign of damage on your veggies or fruits may be the sign of contamination. Your health and that of your family is at stake if you don't know and watch. So next time you are shopping at the market or harvesting out your backyard, take an extra look at those tomatoes, cucumbers and greens. What might seem like as a small imperfection can be doorway to much worse. Stay safe, stay informed and share this others, because awareness is the first step to prevention.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.